In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column on a Jira board. Jira, a powerful project management tool used by many, offers a flexible way to manage your tasks and workflows. One of the key features in Jira is the ability to customize your board with columns that represent different stages of your project workflow. Whether you're managing a software development project, tracking marketing campaigns, or anything in between, understanding how to tailor your board to fit your team's process is crucial. Today, we're focusing on adding a new column to your Jira board, a simple yet impactful way to enhance your project management. Let's start by navigating to your workspace in Jira. It's straightforward, just go to the Your Work section. This is where you'll find all the projects you're currently involved in or managing. From this overview, it's easy to access the specific project you wish to modify. Next, you'll want to click on Projects. This will display a list of all the projects you have access to within Jira. It's a central hub for all your collaborative efforts. From here, pinpoint and select the project you're working on. Once inside your project, locate the Board option. This is where all the action happens. Your board visualizes the project's progress, showing tasks moving through various stages from to do to done. Now for the fun part, customizing your board. Look for the three dots menu. This is typically located in the top right corner of your board interface. Clicking on this will reveal a menu with several options, but what we're interested in today is Configure Board. Select this to proceed to the board configuration settings. Here in the board settings, you're given the freedom to modify columns, swim lanes, and various other settings to suit your team's workflow. To add a new column, locate the plus icon, commonly found towards the right side of the existing columns. This is your gateway to adding a fresh column tailored to your workflow needs. Clicking on the plus symbol will prompt you to name your new column. This step is important. The name should accurately reflect the stage of workflow or type of tasks that will be housed in this column. Be descriptive yet concise, ensuring clarity for all team members. After naming your column, the final step is to click on Confirm. This action solidifies your new column's place on your board. The beauty of Jira is its adaptability. You can always come back to adjust, rename, or reorganize your columns as your project evolves. With your new column added, you're not just introducing a new stage in your workflow, you're optimizing your team's visibility and understanding of project progress. Each column on your board serves as a checkpoint, guiding tasks from inception to completion. This not only improves clarity, but also encourages team members to move tasks through to the next stages efficiently. Remember, the goal of customizing your Jira board is to reflect your project's unique process and make it as intuitive as possible for everyone involved. Adding a new column might seem like a small adjustment, but its impact on project management can be substantial. It's about aligning your tools with your team's workflow, ensuring smooth progress and clear communication. In conclusion, Jira offers a flexible platform to manage your projects effectively. By adding a column to your board, you tailor the platform to better fit your team's workflow, enhancing overall productivity and project visibility. Remember, the key is in the customization. Take the time to regularly review and adjust your board to keep it in sync with your project's needs. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to add a column to a Jira board. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and that you're now equipped to customize your Jira board to better suit your project's requirements. Happy managing!